You're watching Hot Walk Academy, where we actually teach you how to cook. My name is Ming Jin Tong, and today we're making Chinese steamed eggs. Let's cook. All right, what you're gonna need is a very basic setup. I know it looks like I've got a lot of stuff, but just because I want you to be able to see everything. So you're gonna need some kind of a pot to be able to steam your eggs and something to mix your eggs in, all right? And then all of these things, we'll talk about that later, that is for our sauce. So what you wanna do, get going and go ahead and get your fire on high, and you want to put some water in your wok or pot, anything you want, basically a covered vessel that you can be able to steam with. And I've got here my steaming rack, and I'll set that in. And for this particular dish, what you wanna do is you wanna make sure that your ceramic dishes or whatever you're gonna be steaming in are actually warm as well. So let's go ahead and get those in right now. We'll set them right on that rack and let them start to steam and cook. So let's go ahead and get that steaming. While that is warming up, in my silicone cup, I'll go ahead and dump this out here. What I'm gonna do is this is gonna be the place where I beat my eggs. So let's do 4 eggs. That's 2 per dish. All right, and we're gonna wanna do just a pinch of salt in there, and let's go ahead and beat that really well. Now, you want these eggs to be beaten super well so that when they steam up, you don't have little pieces of egg white to make a different texture. So really uniform here, and beat that really well. Now here's the thing. I have here some hot water. I'm gonna go ahead and just re-boil that for just a moment. But however much egg you have, I put in 4, you want to put an equal part. So 1 part egg, 1 part boiling water right into your egg mixture. And as soon as that's done, we're gonna pour it in to steam. So let's just let everything come up to temp here. So I've got here, if you can see, my egg is at about 200 milliliters, maybe about 225. It doesn't have to be an exact measurement, but 1 part egg, 1 part water. So if I'm at about 225 milliliters, I'm gonna go up to 450 milliliters of boiling water right into my egg mixture. So let's go ahead and grab that. And we'll go ahead and fill that all the way up here. I'm again bringing it from 200 to about 450. Now, same thing, we're gonna go in and just beat that really, really well. Make sure that that is beat all the way through, totally uniform. All right, and the steamer's already nice and hot, which means our dishes are also up to temp, and you don't need to grease your pan at all. These are just totally fresh washed, and I'm just gonna pour my egg half in one and half in the other. No grease, no nothing. All right, and that's a little bit unlevel, so let me just kind of move it over a little bit. All right, there you go, totally level. Fire's on high, eggs are hot. Let's go ahead and cover that. And you don't want it to be steaming at too high of a temperature. So I'm gonna reduce my heat. And I still wanna make sure that the eggs are actually steaming, but without too hot, without it being too hot. Let's set a 2-minute timer and let that steam covered for 2 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, so the eggs are almost done steaming. After 2 minutes, what we're gonna do is when this timer counts all the way down to 0, we're gonna cut the fire. 2 minutes on a medium heat steam, and the rest of the cooking is gonna be residual heat only. So I'll go ahead and do that. I'm gonna cut my flame all the way down. Do not open the lid. You want that residual steam to continue cooking the egg, and all that heat is gonna continue cooking it. Let's let it go for 8 minutes. And in the meantime, let's go ahead and make our sauce. So the sauce is super simple. Now there's gonna be essentially a soy sauce base. So a little bit of soy sauce in here, and I'm making enough sauce for 2 dishes. Let's get some sesame oil. Now I really like it to be vinegary, so I'm gonna add a little bit more vinegar than maybe you would at home, but I like that kind of sourness to it. And then of course some agave for that sweetness. And we're gonna do some laucanma, my favorite. This is laucanma's spicy chili crisp. If you haven't had this before, try it out. It's not very spicy. It's very, very roasty and flavorful. I'm gonna do 2 big scoops of that. Maybe a little more. All right, here we go. And let's give that just a mix here. And our sauce is ready. So when our eggs are done steaming, we will pour the sauce on top to enjoy it. We'll be back when the eggs are finished steaming. Okay, we've got less than 30 seconds left. Now the eggs have been sitting, no heat, in the steam, and it's gradually getting colder because of the ambient temperature, but that's totally fine. The eggs will have been cooked and totally set at the end of the 8-minute timer. So let's go ahead and let that count down. Less than 10 seconds to go. We will open it and check on the eggs. Now, sometimes they don't set, so we'll see how they do. If they don't set, all you really need to do is give it a little bit more heat and it should be fine. But let's go ahead and have a look at it. Oh, these are perfect. They're fantastic. So look at this. Let's make some observations first. So on the top, there is a little bit, I think I can hold it. It's pretty hot, but let me see here. I'm gonna drop it onto this towel. Oh yeah. Okay, so look at that. You've got a little bit of wrinkling on the top of the egg. Now what that means is that the egg has expanded just a little bit, creating more surface area, and then as it cooled, it went back down, which is what gives you that wrinkling. It's not a perfectly smooth surface. To correct that, if you want, you can lower the steaming temperature to begin with. But you know what? Look at this jiggle. It's just absolutely perfect. And let's go ahead and add our sauce to it. Pretty hot still. Let's give that a mix and let's put a nice healthy scoop of sauce right over top of it. All right. And let's break into it and see how that looks. Oh yeah, look at that here. Look at just how silky that egg is. Just really delicious. I'm gonna go and have a bite because it just looks so good. Pretty hot, but let's go ahead and try some. Perfect, I love it. Sweet, a little bit sour. Try this at home. Let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.